Children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with motions, problems on average speed, part 7. Here is the seventh question. Calculate the average speed of a car that covers a distance of 150 km in 3 hours and next 70 kilometers in 2 hours. So let's understand the question first with a diagram, right? So here there is a car, and what they're saying is this uh, car has covered a distance of 150 kilometer in 3 hours, right? For first time it has traveled 150 kilometer in 3 hours. 3 hours, it took 3 hours to cover a distance of 150 kilometer, and next it traveled for another 70 kilometer. 70 kilometers traveled from here to here at the time of 2 hours, and they are asking us to calculate the average speed of the car throughout this distance, right? What was the average speed that the car took for traveling from particular place to another place, right? So how to calculate? So for this question, first let's write the given data. So it has traveled a distance of 150 kilometers. Since we are having two distances, first it traveled 150 kilometer and later on it traveled 70 kilometer. So for separating them, I'm mentioning as D1 and D2, right? So first distance I'm measuring it as D1, right? Representing it as D1, and D1 is 150 kilometer and time T1 is 3 hours. Similarly, the distance D2, that is second part, that is 70 kilometer, and it traveled for 2 hours. So time T2 is equal to 2 hours, and they are asking us to find out average speed. Average speed is how much? This is what we need to find. We all know the formula, that is average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time taken. You need to remember this formula. Look here children, for finding out the average speed, you need to understand this. First you need to get the values of this total distance covered as well as time, right? Do in the data, have they given the distance covered? Here they have given two distances, right? So they have given the distance and time taken. Did they give the time? Yes, they have given it in the question itself, right? So it is very easy. First we need to calculate this total distance. Since they have given two separate distance, you can add them up, d1 plus d2, then only you will get the total distance, right? So 150 kilometer plus 70 will be 220 kilometer, and later on, yes, we got the total distance. Now total time taken, but they have given two splits, right? So total time taken is equal to t1 plus t2. What is t1? 3 plus 2. It becomes 3 plus 2 is 5 hours, right? So just write down the formula once again. Now you can just substitute the values here, right? It is very easy. Just by substituting 220 kilometer by 5 hours, you can just cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 44 is 220. So 44 kilometer per hour. Since in numerator it is kilometer and in denominator it's hour, so you can write it down as kilometer per hour. I hope it's clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. If you have any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment section. Check the description box for problems on motions. Thank you.